Who can tell me this ain't mine? Who's going to tell me this ain't mine? I know she'll lie. Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today, like I promised in the last video where I did the first initial review, we have to test a few more things about this hair to verify if it is indeed the perfect wig. Can she handle heat? Can she hold a curl? We're gonna find out today. So I have my HSI Professional Flat Iron. This one doesn't have temperature settings all the way through. It does have the lowest saying 140 degrees and the highest saying 450 degrees. I put it kind of 3/4 of the way through. If you can see in there. I don't know if you can see in there. You can't see in there. I'm gonna see how this hair straightens at this temperature, which would be, I believe, about like a 350, 325. So let's see how that goes. Now at that temperature, it still has a lot of texture and kinks. The ends of the hair is a lot smoother, but you can still see there's a lot of texture with a temperature of 350. So I'm going to turn it all the way up to 450 and see if that does anything better. All right, so let's give this another pass with 450. That good old snap, crackle, and pop. All right, significantly less texture. So I'm gonna do the wig at 450, but definitely not my hair at 450, child. We are fighting heat damage, not trying to perpetuate it, okay? So for my hair, I'm definitely turning it down to 350. Gonna let her cool off a little. Look at the shine my hair gets. It looks so dull in comparison to the fake hair, but when it's pressed out, you cannot tell the difference. The shine is matching. Look at that. You literally cannot see the weft. And you can see how thin of a piece of hair I have out. You see that? The weft is like right there. You see how thin this hair is that's left out? And it's flawless. It's flawless. So this is how the hair straightens. Absolutely flawless. All of that movement. Girl, I'm about to be a mess. I'm about to be a mess! So as you can see, the hair does straighten nicely. It's not like super freaky Caucasian hair straight. It is a kinky straight texture, so it does mimic African American hair, black people hair, because I'm not African American. It does It does mimic black people hair when it's straightened. It looks exactly how my hair looks when I do my silk presses. And I love the density of this wig. It is so full. So now I would like to see how this hair holds a curl. So I'm just going to do a section of it for you guys because I don't want to curl the hair right now, but I will do another tutorial on flexi rod curling this hair because I do have leave out and I don't want to be putting heat continuously to curl it. So I will do another video on styling it with flexi rods to see how it holds those type of curls. But I'm going to do a curl with the flat iron, walk around my house for like an hour or so, come back and show you guys how it held the curl. So the iron is at 450 and I'm going to do a curl. So you can see what the curl looks like. So I'm gonna leave her for an hour, then come back and show you guys exactly how she holds up. Alright guys, so it's been a little bit over an hour, about an hour and 15 minutes. And as you can see, the curl is still doing what it needed to do. She's still there, bouncing, thriving, doing her thing. So needless to say, straightening, amazing. Blending with afro textured hair, amazing. Holding a curl, amazing. So it's doing what it needs to do. So stay tuned for the next video where I'll be doing a flexi rod set on this hair to see if it can hold heatless curls as good as it holds, you know, the curls from a heat source. And ignore the noise. I don't know what's wrong with these children. I swear they're future contractors and developers, construction workers, because good Lord. Bye-bye.